Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to copy trade on Bitget. Alright, so first up, open up your Bitget exchange app. Now once you're in here on your dashboard, just tap on trade. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to these tabs and tap on tools, okay? Right here, tap on tools, and then once done, here we have the sub tab. So basically tap on copy. Alright, and here we have the copy trading section. You can go ahead and copy trade futures, spots, bot signals right here. Okay, for example, futures. Now you could go ahead and filter this out. For example, 30 days or a 30-day ROI or 90-day, 180 days. It's up to you. So once you're in here, basically just go ahead and select the trader. Okay, browse the list of traders and the data picks will be listed right here. Okay, so you can just go ahead and review the ROI right here, the copy or profit, and the win rate. As you can see here, this guy has 100% win rate. So you can just go ahead and tap on copy and configure these settings right here. Okay, enter the amount of USDT. As you can see here, the minimum copy amount for this elite trader is 50 USDT. So enter the amount of USDT from which account, your spot account or your USDT futures account. Make sure that you deposit enough money right here under your spot or USDM futures account. Okay, you could also copy all positions. Now tap on more settings right here, scroll down, auto copy or disable auto copy. Here are the traders trading pairs. Okay, if you want to, you could disable multiple, okay, or just leave it as is. Risk management, stop loss right here. Stop loss or take profit. You could just go ahead and configure this however you want to protect your funds. Okay, and once done, hit on confirm, scroll down, and then do not forget to tick on I have read and agree to Bitget copy trade agreement. Now once done, just hit on copy and you're good to go. And that is how you copy trade on Bitget. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.